What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you the bottleneck of their supply chain, and I will show you how the price hikes might affect the performance of this company. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we broke this red line on an hourly time frame, and we had a retest of this range. Right here we had the first test, and we had the second one at the time when I post my previous video. And I've told you that if we will break this range to the upside and next candle will be opened and closed above this range, technically we might consider this breakout below this red line as a false breakout, and from this range we might go higher. And as you can see, we have this movement to the upside, and from its lowest price point to its highest one, it gained more than 25%. Definitely very good movement to the upside in the course of just several sessions. And right here, as you can see, we hit the range of resistance. It is this top, this swing top, and pretty much the confluence with this double bottom pattern. And let me mark this range for you as the range of support/resistance, and we are exactly at this range for now. So what should we expect next, I will show you in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news. And first of all, let me show you this article. We are on InsideEVs.com, and this article was published on March 17th, and it's titled "Lucid considering price increases amid huge inflationary pressures. CEO Peter Rawlinson says the company is committed to honoring prices for existing reservation holders, though." And let's continue. You all know that several EV manufacturers just announced their price hikes because of the increasing costs of raw materials, and among these companies are Rivian, Tesla and BYD. And definitely this problem affects all EV manufacturers, and Lucid Group makes no exception. The California-based startup had admitted it is looking into rising prices for future models amid huge inflationary pressures. Citing high nickel prices, CEO Peter Rawlinson said that price hikes for future models are inevitable. In a March 17 interview with Reuters on the sidelines of the South by Southwest Music Technology and Film Festival. There is an inevitability that we will have to look at the price points of models that are coming out in the future. I think it would be absolutely foolish of me to say we are never going to rise our prices. However, the company is committed to honoring prices for existing reservation holders, Rawlinson added. And it is a very wise decision, because for now, let me show you, they have more than 25,000 reservations that was made by the end of February 2022, and definitely the freezing of the prices for these customers is a very good and wise decision, because it will give more credibility to the company in general, and definitely it will reduce the margin of these vehicles, but it will increase the loyalty of existing and new customers, and in my opinion it is 100% worth it. So let's continue. Also, you might know that the company recently cut its production forecast for 2022 to the range of 12,000 to 14,000 vehicles, and it is down for its original target of 20,000 vehicles. Lucid blamed the significant reduction on extraordinary supply chain and logistics challenges. Its shares lost 14% of their value after the announcement. Rawlinson has now explained that the bottlenecks were caused by suppliers for windshield glass, carpeting and some exterior trim parts. And yes, you hear it right, carpeting and some exterior trim parts. I have to say that on the first glance it might be not so important, but definitely without these parts you cannot make the vehicle 100% complete. And let me quote you this. It's about a handful of suppliers that are getting our volume. I'm super frustrated because we are not gated by silicon chips. We are not gated by our ability to make electric motors. Definitely, the main components of this vehicle are not the bottleneck for the production rates, but these small parts might drastically reduce the plans of this company. But at the same time, Mr. Rawlinson added that changing suppliers for those parts is not an option, as that would compromise quality. Rawlinson also said he was not concerned about short-term market reactions to Lucid's production cuts, as he was working on a 10-year plan. So, and I have to say that this company is extremely promising, because they have a very good product in general, and they will increase their production rates in a matter of just 1 or 2 years. And definitely from the investor standpoint, this company is very attractive. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, we can consider this breakout below this range as a false breakout, because let me show you on a weekly time frame, and I mentioned about it on my previous video. We have only week below this range, and technically we broke it, but we have very good candle to the upside. And this candle is basically engulfing candle that has the movement from its lowest point to its highest for about 25%, as I already mentioned. And definitely we might see the trend continuation if it is the local bottom. And for now, I think it might be the local bottom, but we have to keep an eye on the price action. And what should we expect next? In my opinion, we have to have some kind of retracement, and according to Elliott wave theory, it is very tricky to make any breakdown of this wave, and that's why we have to be cautious, but we have to wait the retracement. And even if we will break this range of resistance and we'll have the next leg to the upside, I don't think that we might hit higher targets. And eventually we have to have this retracement, and this retracement will be a signal for you to accumulate the position with this asset. And this accumulation might be from the investor standpoint and probably for the swing traders position as well. And I will do another update in just several days, and I will show you what are the medium-term targets. But so far, this movement to the upside implies very good potential for this asset in the medium term. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps.